is a 5 horsepower KEARNEY Trecker Milwaukee horizontal milling machine. This unit also has the universal vertical milling head attachment. As you can see, this unit comes with a very nice set of Fagor digitals on all axes, X, Y, and Z. To start the machine, if you come over here in the back, you have all your switches. You have master start, which starts the hydraulic pump. Then you have left hand and right hand for the horizontal milling feature, and then on the bottom you have left hand and right hand for the vertical milling attachment. So we're going to start with the horizontal first. Turn the master start on. As you see, you have the control over here. You hit the red button, it turns the machine completely off. You have to come back here and hit your master start. You turn your hydraulic pump on. Green button starts the spindle. You go to the left or the right, it stops the spindle. Hit the green button again to re-engage. If you need to switch spindle speeds, you bring the spindle to a complete stop. You come over here, and it shifts automatically. It's all hydraulic shift. You go through the spindle speeds real quick. You can see we are slowly speeding up. As you can see, the spindle brake is still in excellent shape. It stops on a dime. Right here is max RPM, 2,000 RPM. Like I said, the brake is in excellent shape. It stops on a dime. Now I'm just going to put it in the mild range. Over here is your feed selectors. If you double tap the button, that engages all the rapids for the feed mechanism. Right now the rapid motor is running, so this right here is engaging the feed. Right now it's just on normal feed. You hit the stop dog. You can see the knee is going down. Lift up on the button and it will rapid. The lube system works on this unit. Anytime you pull the rapid handle up and let go, it primes the lube system, and that's how the system works. Instead of going to the side for a single shot, you can lift up and down in the rapid handle. You can see it'll knock off when it gets to the end of its stroke. Also switch your feed rate on the fly. Now we're on our slowest rate. All the feed is all hydraulic on this unit. It's really nice. You can switch it right on the fly. Fast speed rate, back to slow. Speed it up a little bit. Take a look at the table, as you can see it's moving. On this unit right here, as you can see, we have a knockoff dog on this side right here to trip the feed off. On this side we do not. Because if we do, it will rip the digitals off the front. This is our scale. But the dog is still with the machine. We have it wired over here to the back of the machine, so if you decide to take the digitals off, the stop dog for the other side of the table is still here. You see it? It's moving by itself with the feed. See the digitals moving over there. So when using this, you have to make sure that when you're coming to the end of the stroke of the table that you're not ripping the digitals off the front of the table. We chose to put them on the front, not the back, because the type of work that we were doing with the machine, we need more clearance on the back half. Start vertical milling head, you want to stop this right here. Come down here, you want to pick either left or right hand for spindle speed. And then just hit your start button. Now, like I said, if you want the hydraulics to re-engage from the feed, you need to double tap the green button so it turns on the hydraulic unit for the feed system. Let's say if you want to shift the spindle speed on the vertical head, stop the machine, you come over here, right here you have fast, neutral, slow. As you can see, the brake on that head works just as good as it does on the horizontal. You switch your spindle speeds, come around, lock it in place, and start. Next speed, same thing. You have 8 spindle speeds because you have fast and you have slow, as you can see right here on the dial. If you come over here, you can adjust. The spindle will come out. You have your stop adjustment up here. You can bring it all the way down, or you can bring it all the way up. You can see it goes down easy. And if for whatever you're doing, if you decide that you need to flip the head upside down and use the top half, on the back side here you also have another spline where you can take the handle off the front and put it on the back half here. And this unit right here, this is for if you have other attachments, which we do not with this unit. This is on and off for hydraulics. You can see the hydraulic line, but the 2 ports are blocked off on the bottom. This unit also has a coolant pump, as you can see down here on the side. Currently it is not filled with coolant, but it does work. If you come over here to turn your coolant on, you have a button right over here that says, you can't hear it kick on because the machine's running, but you have your switch right here. Right next to your master start and your spindle on and off. And like I said, to turn the machine completely off, you just hit the red button. And then as far as for the hand wheels, these are all push right in, they engage. So you move everything by hand. So when you bring them out, they spin free. Same on all other axes. As you can see, it goes from end to end very, very easy. There is no tight spots at all on this machine. This machine is still like new. If you can see all the nice flaking on the back right here, it looks the same way on the bottom side of the table. Same thing to bring the knee up and down. Push in. See, it goes down. Of course, there's a little more resistance going up because of the weight, but still goes up relatively easy for the size of the machine. This is our 5 horsepower Kearney Trecker horizontal vertical mill.